This gaming laptop finally arrived here at the studio. This is the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, and I am super tempted to have this replace my Legion Pro 5i. But why? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. A few weeks ago, Lenovo Legion reached out for us to experience and check out this new Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. Before anything else, I'd like to say that this video is sponsored by Lenovo and Intel. This video is not also a review, but a way for us to share with you the features that we experienced on this new laptop by Lenovo. We will have a separate article review that is not in any way sponsored by any brand. Now, this comes equipped with the latest Intel Core i9-14900HX. This, in fact, is a huge upgrade from my current laptop with a 13th Gen Intel processor. Now, in case you have read our articles, this new upgrade offers improved multi-threaded performance and better efficiency with a max turbo frequency of 5.8 GHz. Now, I'm coming from a laptop with 5 GHz max turbo frequency, and while it may seem that it isn't much, it actually is. Add the fact that this new laptop has more AI features tucked in its Intel Extreme Tuning utility, the laptop definitely has a massive edge in terms of performance. Now, what excites me more about the upgrades found on the Intel Core i9-14900HX are benefits that it can give for gamers, prosumer productivity, and AI-assisted workload. I am definitely a target market for this because I work with software that requires high CPU performance, both powered by their processor's performance cores and efficient cores. Streaming and even video editing software require a flexible blend of performance from its hybrid cores. And when the need for gaming arises, this new processor offers customizable performance that allows you to transform, untether, and unlock. Now, what do I mean by this? The Legion Pro 7i with Intel Core i9-14900HX allows you to transform your experience from laptop to desktop level performance because of its collection of I/O, including Thunderbolt ports. For example, if you think that its display isn't still big enough, you can just connect it to your bigger monitor to enjoy your games to a whole new level. This laptop also allows you to be free from cables because of its support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 products. And lastly, with its processor support for both DDR4 and DDR5 platforms, you're maximizing or unlocking the potential of this laptop. But what's a great processor without an equally impressive GPU? The Legion Pro 7i does not disappoint in this department as it has configurations of up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 with 16 gigs of GDDR6 memory. What we have here is the RTX 4090 version of the Legion Pro 7i, and it has a total of 686 AI TOPS for AI operations. Now, coming from an RTX 4070, the performance uptick is nothing short of remarkable, and this is what makes me super excited with this laptop. We're talking about significantly better frame rates and ray tracing performance that will future-proof your gaming experience for years to come. And in terms of playing around RTX AI or Stable Diffusion, the Legion Pro 7i offers twice the AI TOPS, which gives better AI workload performance. Now, why does TOPS matter? AI TOPS stands for trillion operations per second, and it's basically a way to gauge how many AI-related calculations a chip can crunch through in a single second. Think of it like measuring the horsepower of a car engine, but for AI processors. This matters because the higher the TOPS number that you're seeing on specifications or on displays, the more AI muscle a chip potentially has. One of the most noticeable improvements is in the RAM department. The Legion Pro 7i supports up to 32 gigs of DDR5 5600 memory. This is a considerable jump from the DDR5 4800 in my Legion Pro 5i. This faster memory translates to smoother multitasking and improved performance in memory-intensive applications. Trust me, you can feel the difference, especially in gaming and productivity tasks. Now, let's talk about the display. The Legion Pro 7i features a 16-inch WQ XGA IPS panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio. While I was hoping for a more significant upgrade in this aspect, it still offers a compelling visual experience with its 240 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds of response time. The 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and VESA Display HDR400 certification that this one has ensure vibrant colors and decent HDR performance, making it suitable for both gaming and creative work. One of the standout features of the Legion Pro 7i is in its cooling system. The new Legion Cold Front vapor cooling system includes a vapor chamber, expanded intelligent intake, and an upgraded fan and exhaust system. This advanced cooling solution keeps temperatures in check during intense gaming and rendering or video rendering tasks, addressing one of the common pain points of high-performance laptops. We have YouTube Shorts and IG Reels that talk about this cooling system, so go check them out. Now let's talk about the gaming experience. I fired up Black Myth Wukong to put this to the test, and I was really blown away. The combination of the Intel Core i9-14900HX and RTX 4090 delivered consistently high frame rates, even with ray tracing enabled and settings maxed out. The 240Hz display really shines here, providing buttery smooth gameplay that enhances the fluidity of combat. But the Legion Pro 7i isn't just about gaming. As a content creator, I was really impressed with its performance in DaVinci Resolve. As I talked about earlier as well, the Legion Pro 7i also shines in AI-powered tasks. The RTX 4090's tensor cores accelerated image generation in Stable Diffusion significantly. What used to take minutes now completes in seconds, making iterative AI art creation much more feasible on a laptop. Now let's talk about the build and also the design of this laptop. The Legion Pro 7i sports a sleek Eclipse black finish crafted with recycled aluminum and magnesium. While it's not the lightest gaming laptop at around 2.62 kilograms, the build quality feels premium and robust. The keyboard also has seen an upgrade, now featuring per-key RGB lighting powered by Lenovo Spectrum, adding a layer of customization to your gaming setup. And in fact, inside the box, you would also find the keycap remover, which, yes, you can do on the keyboard on this laptop. Audio quality has seen a significant improvement as well with the Harman optimized speaker system. The 2x2 watt speaker deliver richer, a more detailed sound compared to my current Legion Pro 5i. While they won't replace a good pair of headphones for immersive gaming, they're more than adequate or enough for casual media consumption and even video calls. Another impressive feature of the Legion Pro 7i is its massive 99.9 watt-hour battery. This is particularly impressive considering it still falls within the limits for air travel. The super rapid charge feature is fantastic, allowing the battery to charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Now, the Legion Pro 7i also offers generous array of I/O ports, including Thunderbolt 4, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, and Ethernet. The ability to output to 8K at 60 Hz via HDMI is particularly noteworthy for content creators working with high-resolution displays. While the killer Wi-Fi 6E provides excellent wireless performance, it's somewhat disappointing that Lenovo hasn't made the jump to Wi-Fi 7 in this model. This is understandable though because it was just recent when Wi-Fi 7 was publicly made available in the Philippines. For most users, the Wi-Fi 6E standard should provide more than enough bandwidth and low latency for gaming and streaming. This is also okay with me because I still don't have a Wi-Fi 7 router yet at the studio and also at home. So what can I say about the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i? Coming from someone who still has a Legion Pro 5i. This laptop, at least for me, definitely represents a significant upgrade from what I have. The performance gains in both gaming and productivity applications are substantial, thanks to the latest Intel processors, RTX 4090 GPU, and faster DDR5 memory. While there's always a room for improvement, particularly in areas like display technology and weight reduction, the Legion Pro 7i strikes an impressive balance between power and practicality. Actually, I need to save up to buy this laptop. This is now in the needs bucket of yours truly, and I'm looking forward to testing this more. It's a laptop that not only meets my current needs for gaming and content creation, but also provides a level of future-proofing that should keep it relevant for years to come. If you're in the market for a high-performance gaming laptop that can double as a powerful workstation, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i should also definitely be on your radar. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is now available in the Philippines for 274,995 at the production of this video. That's all for today's video about the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this laptop, drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and also subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming contents. Until next time, game on. Bye.